In today's video, I will show you how to set up a Phantom wallet as extension on Google Chrome. So let's start by entering phantom.app website. Next step is pretty simple because we need to click the download button. We are redirected to the Chrome Web Store page. Okay, so let's add Phantom extension to our browser. Here we are on the setup page. Because we will be starting from scratch, we need to create a new wallet. Now we need to create a password for our wallet. Check the box that you agree with Phantom Terms of Service and click Continue. Here we are on the recovery phrase step. Always remember to store your phrase securely because it is the access to your wallet and all funds in it. To see the phrase, just drag the mouse icon to one of the words. If you have saved it, check the box and click Continue. And that's all. Now you are ready to explore Solana and other chains with Phantom Wallet. With the wallet extension already installed, let's now import some addresses. Firstly, drag your mouse icon to the top left corner and click the Your Current Account icon. Now find a plus sign icon close to the bottom left of the extension. Click it. Here we have many options to add new or import existing wallets. We will be importing wallet from the recovery phrase, so let's click the frame Import Secret Recovery Phrase. Now you need to paste the phrase in the first word box. Page will automatically fill the whole 12 words, or 24 if you're using that option. If you are ready, click Import Wallet. Here you can see imported accounts. If you finished, just click Continue button. And that's all. Your added wallets are ready to go. So, that's the end of this video. Now if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.